One of the reasons why your daughter has high tone is because of the vision. There's no report with it, with your post. You have a hardcore strabismus. The eye is literally into the nose on the left side. I can do my right, and I still can't even do that much of where I'm pulling my eye in, where she's got it to the corner. I don't think this is, well, you'll have to patch anyway, but I need to know what's going on. Are you patching because she needs glasses, or are you patching because she just has a muscle weakness in there? And I don't understand too. I mean, you'll have to patch first, but conversations of surgery for just, if it's just strabismus, should have been entertained by now, because again, that's hardcore. When you activate muscles too early in development, you take away weight transfer and transitional movements. Weight transfer and transitional movements is how babies learn to develop. So when you add a muscle into it prematurely, and in this case, it's the eye muscles, now everything she's going to do is a load lift variation, not weight transfer and transitional movements. And this is why you have the tone issues, right? Or one of the reasons why. But again, you need to know, is that a tone issue bringing the eye in? And again, if that's the case, we don't want to lose the eye. So there needs to be, you know, a real hardcore watch. I hope this is not your first ophthalmology appointment that you're getting. And then if not, if it's a stigmatism and, you know, the strabismus, we need to know where she's at with that. And then, yes, you will patch. You have no depth perception with one eye. You know, anybody right now can patch right now and just put a patch on or cover their eye or do something. There's no depth perception. There's no far vision. There's no short vision. Don't throw a ball at her. Don't do anything to do with convergence. If you do go and say throw something, sorry, this is the closest thing is one of my skulls. You know, you don't throw, right? What you do is you hold on to it and go, woo, but still there's no depth perception because she can't converge. Typically, the eyes are binocular, meaning they're working together, and then convergence is when the eyes converge into an object, and then just as smoothly they come back, right? So if you look at my convergence, right, my eyes come in smoothly, but they also go back smoothly, right? They don't go off on one eye and only do one eye. Ugh. Those kind of things. That's what you're looking for in binocular vision and with convergence. I'm about to do a live on a 24-year-old that has none of this. And they're wondering why that she's so fearful and paranoid, right? We can't let our kids go without vision. Vision connects all our senses, you know, from touch, spatial orientation and all, you know, vision is everything. And that's to say we have 5 senses, you know what I mean? It's just, it's again now putting it all together and how they converge, right? So you have convergence with your fine motor skills and you can convergence with your gross motor skills. So for her to take a step out and again, that cruise and that she can't do it with those eyes. So those are the things that you really need to look at to help your daughter. So vision is number one. That doesn't mean that you can't be working on the standing and the pre-walking course and work on that pubic bone strike, because again, without that convergence, the pubic bone strike is off too. And that would be something to look at as well. But that's what you need to do. I would have had the ophthalmologist appointment. If you can call up and get it tomorrow, that's when you need to. If you've already had one, post a report. But a child doesn't do anything that's going to put them in harm's way, right? They just won't. And so when depth perception's an issue, right now her standing up is like standing up next to the Grand Canyon, and she really needs help. Thanks.